Jazzy Monét. And I'm a Weetie.
Weetie. I accidentally have said hey when you said Weetie. Okay, let's try it again.
Hey guys, it's Weetie and
it's Jazzy
Monét.
Oh, let me pull this down so they can see the cheese. Okay.
That's cheese.
What are we eating today, Weetie?
We're gonna eat corn and some chicken. We're gonna eat sauce and some cheese and corn.
Everybody give us a round of applause. Yes, today we are eating. We have given in to the whole cheese and chicken crave. We're trying to see what's up with it. So, shall y'all see? Girl, I ain't gonna even go there. But,
And look at my wrapping.
she has a little wrap on, and she wants y'all to see it.
Yeah.
You cute, Weetie.
My mom always wear it, so anyway, she thought this one.
Okay. Okay. I see why everybody eating cheese on everything.
I mean, the cheese. What's half the cheese? Oh, that one too big. I'm gonna
Let me see.
what's that? Look at it. Look at the cheese chicken.
You like it?
Actually gonna get spicy. Actually gonna get spicy.
I'm dropping stuff everywhere.
I ain't dropping stuff. You dropping.
I know. I said I'm dropping stuff.
Yeah, I ain't dropping stuff.
Looking cute, girl.
I know.
I'm gonna try this corn on the cob and the cheese.
Ew, that gross. Okay. Yeah. Look how you splash everywhere.
I splashed it everywhere.
And now you're going to eat the cheese. Gross. It's a cup from the cup. This is so good. Actually, I could pull the little piece out and eat them. Look at this little piece, you see? Cute.
Yeah, I'm gonna dip this in the y'all making a mess on this table. It's okay. I'll clean it up later.
I ain't making a mess.
I know, cause you got a plate.
No.
I'm gonna take this this corn on the cob, dip it in the cheese sauce.
It ain't cheese. It ain't cheese sauce. It's cheese. And now this good.
I'm about to start eating cheese on everything.
Yeah. I eat cheese on everything.
You didn't want to try the cheese on the corn?
No, that's gross.
It's gross.
Yeah, it's gross. Like banana.
You like bananas though.
But it look like this look like banana.
Same color?
Yeah, same color. But this look like orange. This sauce. And this now look like yellow.
Put the sauce with everything out the stick.
I want to be able to reach it.
Let me know when you want to dip some. You want to dip your chicken? You want to try chicken on the sauce?
Sure.
Sauce on the chicken? Okay. Oh, you got some on there already. You ain't even bite it.
You bite.
Get into this bite.
You bite the top. Huh? Oh no, it's spicy. No, it's spicy.
Was it good?
It's spicy now.
Y'all, guess what I'm about to try? I'm going to try the cheese sauce with some hot sauce. I'm going to try the cheese sauce. The chicken with the cheese. And then I'm going to put some hot sauce on it. I feel like we just kind of been all over the place since we started recording. But hello to all of our new subscribers. Hello. Welcome to the Jazzy, Monét, and Weetie show.
No, I'm the Weetie.
Oh, Weetie wants to change her name to Weetie. Because that's what we call her. So, Jazzy, Monét, and the Weetie show. Woo! Go Weetie, go Weetie, go Weetie, go Weetie. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it. You out the camera. Yeah. Okay. What I said I was gonna try? Oh, y'all, and I got
Hot sauce.
as you can see, I got original and crispy from KFC.
Pop.
What?
Popcorn.
Okay, so I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this cheese sauce with hot sauce.
Ew, is it hot? Is it spicy?
Let's see how this goes.
Is it spicy? Huh? Oh, Mom, mix it together with your hand.
You see that?
Mom, look at mustard and now ketchup. And now the bread. Look like that.
That's good.
That's good.
I'm over here looking sloppy, child.
Yeah, and my daddy's sloppy too. Well, one day he was trying to put his clothes, and now he's bit like, and his bit come off the floor. It was on the floor. Yeah, I saw, and then I told my mom. He slapped her, and I said, I want to tell my mom. That was so funny. I'm in the beach with my drink, and I have a soup.
You have a swimsuit?
I got a swimsuit. Now, you know, little girls have the suit. And sometimes it be really hot outside. Sometimes it don't, sometimes it do.
So what you do when it's hot?
You put sunblock.
You put sunblock on?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you put sunblock all over yourself. So you can feel good.
Happy Friday, y'all.
Happy Friday.
What y'all doing this weekend? What are y'all doing this weekend? Because me and Weetie want to know.
No, I'm Weetie.
Weetie want to know what y'all doing this weekend. What y'all doing?
What you doing?
Comment below and let us know what y'all doing this weekend, because we want to know. We want to know, because we trying to see if we invited.
Me and the Weetie. Her and the Weetie.
Oh, I got a little Weetie, you see that swing? I got that hang time. Oh, so you gonna leave me in the middle of my hang time?
Yeah, because I want my hair down.
Oh, look, when you throw that shoulder like this.
It don't swing.
Child. Hey, boo-boo.
But it's supposed to be my song.
Oh. So what you want me to do?
Just sing your own song.
Oh. Well, that mean I can't be in this song.
No, that's my song.
Y'all. I apologize if I'm severely smacking.
You said slap.
I could be smacking kind of hard over here because your girl hungry. I had a smoothie this morning. Just a smoothie. 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 Oh, what is this on my chin, honey?
It's sauce.
It must be chicken grease.
No.
Smoothie. Smoothie. Yeah. Gather them. Get them together. And let them know it's Weetie Wheat show.
You said Weetie.
I said Weetie Wheat.
No, you said Weetie.
I'm going to ask the subscribers.
No,
what did I say?
Weetie Wheat. Now you said Weetie.
What did I say?
Weetie Wheat or Weetie? I'm the Weetie Wheat. Stop locking on there, alright? Stop playing with it.
Okay, eat your food. Okay, I'm gonna eat more cheese on my corn. Cheese on my corn. Cheese on my corn. I'm gonna eat more cheese on my corn because it's so good to me. I'm about to have a whole series where I'm eating all kind of stuff in cheese sauce because I didn't know the cheese sauce was so good.
And how about Weetie Wheat?
With Weetie Wheat. Y'all, I don't really know how this video is going, but I'm in a good mood. It's all rainy and stuff, and
yeah, it's been a sad day today. I was really bored.
You was bored today? Why?
Because it's so sad when you see a sunstorm in the rain. It's so sad.
You could still be in a good mood, though.
No, I can't. I can't be in a good mood if it's raining outside or storming.
I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry, baby. Well, hopefully the sun will come out tomorrow.
It's always sometime. It's always sometime.
I think I like the corn and the chicken better. I mean, corn and the cheese sauce is better than the chicken.
Chicken better. Mom, can you milk your chicken? You milk your chicken.
Can I what?
You milk your chicken.
Milk or chicken?
No, your milk. Put some milk on your chicken.
Put milk on my chicken? I don't know about that one, Weetie. Not like no cereal.
Yeah, that would be good. That would be tasty. With some glue. You can put glue on your food.
Girl.
Yes, you have to put glue on your food.
Hey, thank you, boo boo. Oh, you're so sweet.
One day, I saw my friend in hotel. I know I was talking to my grandma.
Oh, okay.
So, she keep crying, right? Crying and wanting. Then I didn't want her to play with her. And she kept taking pictures of herself and not me.
What?
She just taking pictures of herself, and now I'm going to say Snapchat off, so she won't never ever see Snapchat.
No, that's not nice, sweetie.
Because she keep taking the pictures and not sharing me.
Well, some people not gonna always be nice to you, but you be nice to people, okay?
But their moms tell them what to do. But they tell what their mom always tell what their friends do. And when they say share, and let me get yours. So, and then she almost got bad, but now she was being bad and not playing with me.
What?
And I didn't got no treat. And she said follow my games, and I'm like that. I don't know. That's not a real game. That's not a real game.
She didn't want to play the game I was playing.
No, because I don't want to follow her games. I
Why?
want to follow the other people's games. And we played. What's that game again? When her mom was showing me.
Be quiet.
The be quiet. And we father and stuff. And then I was being still. I was doing a good job. Absolutely. My friend wasn't.
You was what now? What word was that?
My friend wasn't.
You said absolutely? Say it again.
My friend wasn't doing well. So she didn't did good. So she was making noise, and then you weren't supposed to make noise in the game. So you just have be still and don't move, don't do nothing. You just have to be still.
Y'all parents know about the quiet game.
Let me
tell your story.
And then I followed my mom. Now story. And now my friend wasn't doing a good job again to my mom's followers. And I didn't want her to win and get treat. I want to get treat.
Everybody should be able to win. We all win.
No, absolutely. I don't. We are going to a hotel.
What you doing this weekend, Jordan?
Chilling and doing my iPad stuff. No iPad stuff. Loading games. You know I like loading a lot of games. Sometimes I don't know what to play, and I don't know why. I don't know how to play them because I keep saying more games.
Yeah, Weetie be downloading a whole bunch of games on her iPad.
Yeah, a whole bunch.
All right, my people. My family members. We love y'all. Don't we, Weetie?
Yeah.
We love y'all a lot. Thank y'all so much for tuning into another episode of our show.
And the Weetie Whip Show. And follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram.
That's right. Follow us on Instagram. That's that. Jazzy, Monét,
and Weetie Whip.
All right, Weetie. What should they do also?
Weetie Whip.
All right, Weetie Whip. Should they like,
comment, subscribe, and hit that button, and subscribe to the button,
and hit that
notification bell?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
And peace,
blesses,
my loves. Bye. Capiche.